Hi, I'm going to show you how to mail merge information from a Google Sheet into a Google Doc, and you'll even have the option to mail those Google Docs to parents or teachers. So to get started, you'll start in Google Sheets and put all of your information and make sure that you have a header row. So in this example, I have students' names, their CSE dates, and the parent email. I just used mine for now for this example. And I want to insert that into a letter that I will email home to the parents. So when I started drafting my letter, I inserted something called tags. I typed the double chevron and then I typed the name of the information that I want inserted. And down here, I want to insert the CSE date. It is case sensitive, so make sure that whatever you write in the tags matches the header here in your Google Sheet. Here's an example for a science fair, the students' names and the teacher. Here's a Google Doc with a science fair certificate, and I used the tag for first name, I used the tag for last name, and the tag for the teacher's name. So now how are you going to create this? So once you have your Google Sheet and your Google Doc all set up, click on Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons. Then go ahead and search for Autocrat. When you get Autocrat, you will select it. You'll have a blue button that says Install. So go ahead and follow those steps to install it. Now you can go to Extensions and you'll see Autocrat as an option and you'll click Open. Then select New Job. Let's give it a title. Next. And now you're going to select the Google Doc or the file where you want it imported into. So I'm going to go to my Drive and find that Google Doc that I created. Here it is. Select. So now that I've selected the file where I want to merge, I'm going to click Next. So you want to select the Merge tab, which is down here, Sheet 1. It does have a header row, and the data does start on row 2, so that's all correct. Now it actually read my Google Doc and found the tags that I had typed in here. So whenever it sees the tag student name, it's going to go to the column titled student name and pull on that information. This red tag here is telling me I need to pick the column. So whenever it sees the tag CSE date, it will go ahead and pull the information from the CSE date column. So next, I'm going to name my files, but I actually have the option to insert a tag again. So I'm going to insert the student name. So now every file that is going to be created in my drive will have the student's name so it's easier to find. And remember, it is case sensitive, so make sure you type it exactly as you did in your Google Sheet. I'm going to create Google Docs. I don't want to do a PDF because maybe I want to go back and edit the Google Doc a little bit. This will create one file for each student instead of creating one with all of them. So I'll click Next. You can choose where you want it to go. So I want it to go to my CSE letter folder, and then next, next. Merge would just be if it was missing something, it wouldn't create a letter. You could set some conditions here, but since we're all set, we're just going to ignore it and click next. And yes, we want to share them. Since I have emails here, I do want to send these to those embedded emails. If you are not sending emails, you could just click no and click next. But since I want to email the parents, I'll click yes, and now I have additional information to fill out. I want them to get the doc as view only. And it's up to you if you want them to reshare it. I would select no, that it's not from a no reply address. This way the parent could respond to me. So now here, since I have the parent emails in my Google Sheet, I can tag it in my draft for my email. So again, it is case sensitive, so make sure you type it correctly. And this will create one email per parent, so you do not have to blind CC because they each get their own email, so you don't have to worry about confidentiality. So here's the subject of your email, CSE date, and now here you could write Dear Guardian of, and go ahead and you can insert the tag again. Type the body of your email. You can insert tags again. And then when you have your whole email drafted, go ahead and click Next. Ignore the triggers and select Save. Now that it's created, we can go ahead and select Run Job. You'll see that it'll start populating behind the pop-up, and then when it's done, you'll get this message again, and you can just go ahead and exit out. It will actually hyperlink individual letters here in the Google Sheet. So I can go ahead and click on each one and I will see the letter that it created, and you'll see that it autofilled the student's name and the CSE date. Because we did a Google Doc instead of a PDF, if you needed to add information, you can go ahead, and this is shared with the parent and they will see the updates just like any other shared Google Doc. Back to the Google Sheet, it'll give you the information to make sure everything that was sent correctly. It will notify you here if there was an error in the email and it didn't get sent. Now, since I sent them to myself as the sample parent, I'm going to come to my email and show you what the letter will look like to the parent. So it says, here's the child's name, here's the date, and there's the attachment with the letter with all of the information. Now, you will not receive a copy of the email, but if you go to your sent folder, you will see that the email was sent just like sending it any other way. You will also find them in your drive. So here I am in the folder that I created, and you'll notice there is now a Google Doc. And because I used the tag, each file is labeled with the student's name. You can even use this if you're creating labels. Create your spreadsheet with the information, come to a Google Doc, and I create labels by inserting a table. Depending upon the size of the label, I set everything up, then go ahead in your label and create your tags and go back to the Google Sheet and start Autocrat and you're good to go. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.